Hi everybody, welcome to JackJackPlays. Hey Jackie, say hi.
Hi.
What are we gonna do today?
This.
We're gonna open some trucks. Oh boy, and Molly decided she wants to be here too.
A car and a tow truck.
Let's see it. Molly, go away. What do we got? Wow, 2 trucks for towing and lifting. Very cool. These are the Fast Lane Action Wheels. I think that's the brand. Okay, shall we open this up, Jackie?
Yeah! Let's do it here.
Do it. We're gonna lift it. Here it comes.
This one's on this. This is off. You get this one off. Can you get this one off?
Yeah, you want to look at this one and I'll get this? Oh boy, look at this truck. We gotta get the box undone. Sure make these things hard to open. Wow.
We're gonna get these are cardboard. These are cardboard. But they're free. But these are cardboard.
Hey Jackie, what color is this truck?
Orange.
It's like an orangish yellow. Cool. It's got a lifter on it. And let's look at the other one.
We gotta get the car.
Yeah, we gotta get the car. We gotta pull it out of the plastic. Oh, and here's the other truck. Jackie, what color is this?
Orange.
It's like an orangish red. And it's got gray. And a little bit of black. This is pretty cool. Alright, let's play with it and see what it does. It's got some pumping action and coming down low.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's stuck.
You better tow it.
Yeah, I'm fixed on here. He's coming too. And trucks are coming to get the trucks. That many cars stuck. So trucks are coming. Nina, Nina. Cones. Cones. Safety cones. I can't get out. So we got to lift it up.
That's pretty cool and surprising. Jack, do you see that there is a button?
Yeah.
Over here? And it causes it to go down.
This is on here. This is for. This is going to go. This is the lifting action.
Here, press the button here, Jackie.
Oh, it's.
Press it. Push it. Push.
No.
Oh, it fell off.
Let's put it on the back. It doesn't fit on this.
That's because there's 2 different sizes for different kinds of cars from this playset.
It's coming.
Push it. Push with your finger. Oh, you're doing it.
It's coming. See? It's coming. It's coming. Pump, pump. We're pumping it up. It's coming. No,
There it goes.
no, I want it to go.
Press the button down there. Okay guys, we're going to keep it real short here. If you like our videos, don't forget to give us a like, share our video, and subscribe. Say bye, Jack.
Ruff, ruff, subscribe.
Oh, get the Molly.
Beep, beep.
That's fancy driving. 7.